65, 66, 67 Chevelle door. Heavy, heavy. Well, we're a lot farther than I thought we'd be for the games, basketball.
Yeah. We've done pretty good.
You want to take the camera and show them what you did to the tractor, or should I tell them?
I'll just let you tell them.
No, we'll just let them watch the video
I'm
later.
upset about it.
Yeah, I'll watch the video later. The old tractor got her for. That's what Willard's pissed at you for throwing his mowing deck away. He done tried to make you run in the pond earlier.
I mean, I knew it was going to happen eventually, but I didn't figure it'd be today.
Shoot by full.
She's getting there.
Sure.
She's getting there. It's got a lot of metal in it.
Mm-hmm. We're almost done. Getting there. We cluttered the other shit up in the process.
Part of it.
Happens. Jeez.
Let's see. I'm going to get my overhead view here.
Yeah. In depth.
Yeah. There's a good ladder out there if somebody wants one.
I feel like the NOS Nazis are going to be. I mean, we'll get lots of shares, people cussing us and bad comments.
Oh yeah, there's somebody that's going to see this and know exactly where it's from.
There's a 1957 dated power light in there if you're curious.
Yeah, well, yeah, but if we're going to be honest, you didn't want to get rid of that one.
No.
You was real.
I was Googling its value as he was.
As I was trying to get we were doing all 3 miles an hour the tractor had to get away.
Yeah, I just decided, yeah, it's in there somewhere. All right, well, we're getting there. We'll be right back.
One motor at a time.
One relic at a time. That's a good small block right there. That right there, she was Chevy.
That's probably the heaviest.
I hope the camera on the front of the Massey got that good.
Either
the
this
struggle.
one or this one.
I don't know why that one's so heavy.
Or the heaviest too.
Oh, it's full of water or mud or something.
I don't know.
Chevy. So the boys had basketball games, so we're taking a little break. I had some other stuff I had to do. I'm back at it. I just cleaned all this stuff off the walls in the shop, just hanging there. There's some good wheels. They're about to go in there. Yeah, you saw that. I did want to take a minute to show you some of the cool stuff we found. We got a grill. Might hang that in the new podcast room. Some random vet fiberglass. That's actually going in the trash. This is a Speedster cover off a SN95 Mustang. Probably thought somebody might want it. This is kind of some cool stuff though. Look at this. This is a old fuel pump glass bowl. You can see this. Let's see. Oh, let me get it around here. Wet tested and sealed. 3/15/1989. These old Ford hubcaps will be perfect for my 48. I've got Corvette hubcaps on the back, but they won't clear the front axle hub covers. So that'll be perfect. This, I don't know what that is. Some sort of old speedometer. I thought it was cool. Old oil spout. This is cool. I don't know what this is, but Rockwood miter box. Drilled lumber. Precision cut. Guaranteed accurate. Oh, it's a miter box. Yeah. It's some sort of construction. So Jared would talk about that. Over here, we've got a badass set of mag wheels. I think these were on a Corvette we had. I talk about on the podcast. One Krager left. I've used most of my Kragers up on stuff. A couple of old, like Model A wheels, I guess. I thought somebody might want those. That's about the extent of it. We're getting there. Slowly but surely. Tell them what I got you.
Telephone call?
No.
I'm telling you, I feel like the more we dig into this, it's like finding Waldo. There's more and more and more stuff. We thought we were done.
And we found three more transmissions.
3 more transmissions since we thought we had everything cleaned up.
I think we're at, oh, there's that another rear end. That's another small transmission. We've found, you answer the phone. I'll talk to these people.
You tell them what's going on.
Yeah. So we got 11, put the picture up in a second. 11 engines, mostly small block Chevrolets. No,